This is the gear shift lever of a Sierra 5-speed T-9 transmission installed into a 1957 MGA Coupe. I'm going to show the gear pattern and the length of throw. The lever itself is just about the same length as a standard MGA. Start out by going into reverse. You have to push over deliberately to the left and up, and you're in reverse. That avoids you putting it in reverse accidentally, because you do have to move slightly to the left to put it into first. So let's go back to neutral. Slightly to the left and up is first. Straight back to second. The throw is right at 4 inches. Third, fourth, and fifth. The height of the gear shift from the carpet up to the top of the handle, and I've reused my original 4-speed handle, is right at 6 inches.